Hello, people. My name is Epicman, and figured out how to go recording on Xbox, and I actually don't have to put my mic or anything. But today, we're doing I Am Cat. Now, I already did all the quests already, and I don't think I can start a new game. So sadly, we're gonna have to just mess around. If I could, if I knew how to record, I would have definitely recorded for y'all. And yeah, so we have I Am Cat. I can't see. I have all these or whatever. I've played this game, so I have a good idea of how to play the game, and I know how to play the game pretty well, I guess. I just know how to not get caught or whatever without. So yeah. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. I'm not for sure what to do. I didn't really plan, but I think what we're gonna do is that we're gonna get on Grandma's computer. So this is Grandma. Say, hey, Grandma. You know, you can kill her, fold her ass, like that. So, yeah, this is the computer, or whatever. So, I know the passcode, and I guess that there's a UBS, so is it 42, it's that, right? Or is it 2046? What is it again? I completely forgot. Maybe it's right, where was it again? Oh yeah, it's right here. What? 0426, that's what it was. Ow. There. I had to quickly do that. Grandma! The pot! Grandma, the pot! Oh my God! Grandma, pay it! Grandma! I destroyed the pot! Ow. Grandma! Kinda laggy over here. Grandma! Okay, please don't crash on me. Oh, stop. Cat! 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 I am very laggy right now. Okay, she doesn't even care. It was 4026. It was 0426. That's what it was. So we have, where's the mouse? Let's see, we got, computer, move. We got friends. Oh, look at my friend. Look at my friend. Now, Grandma, don't think I know where your secret USB drive is. Now, I'm just about to prove how good I am. Oh, okay. So while I'm recording this, there's another GTA video coming out, and there's a hint of what game I'm doing next, and it is not I Am Cat. The hint again was sub, and when I was hunting Tracy in a boat or whatever, I was swimming, and there's a lot of like ocean stuff, and I was like, this is kind of like my game I'm gonna play. So here's another little hint. It will be up, that game will be up today. So let's go ahead and put this USB in. Okay. No. Okay. Calm down. Grandma, what is this? No. Close your eyes! Oh. Oh. God damn it. Grandma, you're not moving and that makes me sad. So I know what I have to do. I have to go to sleep. Because she's glitched. Because this is only just early access. And she's glitched. And in order for her to move and attack me and crap, we need to go to sleep real quick. Okay, I'm asleep. Okay, you're back. See, Grandma's not here no more, and finally she's moving. Let's go. Grandma! Grandma, I'm gonna go cook. Grandma, I'm gonna go cook. Grandma, I'm cooking. I am cooking for you. Hey. Grandma, back away. Okay. Grandma, this is very good, so you better like this. Here you go. Yeah, you better walk away. Grandma, I'm sorry I have to do this, but I have to do it. Grandma? I killed Grandma! I better run. Who? Grandma, how are you already alive? I killed you! She'll be happy now. I'm getting her a new fish. Hopefully she's not mad at me still. She don't look mad at me. There. I just saved the fish. You better be happy. Meow. Uh-oh. Backing up. It's just like every time I look away, she's alive. You know what? You know what will stop her? She can climb up here. You loser. Grandma, you just made a hoop. Okay, anyways. We're gonna go eat some fried chicken. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's see. Get in my mouth, come on. Okay. Get off. Okay. Put this in there. Now while that's cooking, let's see, I'm gonna go ahead and get a carrot. Whatever that is. Okay. Let's see. Cut. Cut. Nom nom nom. Yeah, I know more. Wait. No, god dang it. Oh yeah, it's perfect. Yay. That's perfection. You know what? We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna try something else. This time we were gonna be, we're trying to mess around and, help a little bit. How about we change it up a little bit? How about we go box? Yeah! Yeah! I thought. What about if I don't want to face over here? You know, let's go ahead and go to the dummy. Yay! We gotta change a few things here. Hold on. I don't know if it's gonna show. Stationary. Confirm. So, ready to watch it. Look it. So the force right here. Ready? This game is the most easiest thing ever. All you gotta do is to go. You just spam. You see that? See, look it. He knows what I'm talking about. That's my boy right there. Okay. Let's get out of here. Let's go to the heavy bag. I need to make it move. See, look at, I'm making a move. You see that? You see that? Making a move. Thumbs up? No. Focus ball. Okay. Hold on, I can do the focus ball. Watch. I cannot do the focus ball. Alright. Let's go ahead. Alright. Let's go ahead and do a beginning partner.
I'm only going to tell you two things.
Shut up.
Protect yourself at all times.
Whoa, chill.
And obey what I say at all times. Let's make this a clean fight.
Come on. Come on.
One, two, three, 4,
Yeah.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Come on.
Ladies and gentlemen, going
Yeah.
to the scorecards, the judges have determined by unanimous decision your winner is the red corner.
Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah. Learn from you. That's what I'm talking about. Now, I did play this game actually before. I got all the way to Louis Felix. I kind of want to, you know, I'm supposed to just do it. Okay. This is going to be a way.
Keep it clean at all
Oh,
times.
I'm in a crowd.
Protect
I'm
yourself
cooked.
at all times. And what I say, you must obey. Good luck to both of you.
Chill.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
What?
6, 7,
What?
8.
Are you the one I'm supposed to fight? What the hell? Oh. Chill. Damn, chill, dog. Chill, man. Please, give me a second. Chill. Fucking chill. Chill. Damn. Knock his ass out. That's it. Oh, I think I popped my shoulder. I'm an old man, quit. Come on.
Get off of him.
I'm awesome. I'm awesome. Round 1, I think I'm cooked. You know what? How about this? I'll do what you did, basically. Let me do what you did. Come on, how are you not knocked out? I'm
1,
knocked out.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
He's gonna win because of knockouts. No, I'm not getting closer to you. I'm not getting closer to you. Am I? How do I not knock you out yet, bro? Like, I'm punching you hard, man. How? He's gonna
1,
win.
2,
Well, I'm cooked.
3, 4,
Nah,
5,
I'm cooked.
6,
I'm
7,
lost. Because of
8.
knockouts. I might even be
9.
knocked out. I'm knocked out. You know what? Screw this. I'm not gonna win. It's no point. Let's see. What should I play? You know what? Let's play some shame and stuff. It's supposed to be when I do this. It's kind of my just testing, kind of. This isn't just a certain playthrough yet. We're just kind of playing around. When I do my VR, I'm kind of just playing different games. Well, let me. Boom. Did I get it? See, I got it. $6.99. What else you got? 15. All right, let's do barber. Okay. What you want, fool? Damn. What you doing, girl? So let's just do this. Boop. Go ahead. How's your day going? Your day, ma'am? I don't even know. Not a talker then. Okay, so you stop embarrassing me. Okay, so you want to just like you know what? Screw it. We're going bald. Okay, so your picture, you want like thick hair, but just a little cut off. Okay, so then you want just black. Girl, you looking ugly, girl. You ain't gonna pull no boys with that. No, I did not make it. I'll pierce your eyes out. Oh, you want your eyebrows, don't you? That's great. No eyebrows. Yeah, you're looking. You know what? How about this? We're going bald again. Shut up. I know what I'm doing. I'm gonna pierce your eyes out. Listen, I'm a professional. Cancer. We're gonna make it like right. Right. Ooh, you looking fresh now. You know why? Because you went to Epic Man's barber. Cut you right there. Sorry if that hurts. You looking beautiful, girl. Yeah, so beautiful. And you want just a little cut off. That's a little to me. Go next. Alright, what's next? What do you want? You want... So what does this do exactly? Oh. It's an incinerator just to burn literally everything off. Damn. Ah! Ah! We're starting a riot! Okay, so let's go ahead. Grow, baby, grow, man. Shut up. Oops. If y'all want to see some Nintendo Switch games, I got a Nintendo Switch, and we can do some maybe Pokemon series, because I am a fan of Pokemon. I don't give one crap if you don't like it. You're getting what you get and you don't throw a damn fit. You understand me? It's beautiful. Meh? Oh. Hello. Let's see what you're dealing with. You got a mohawk. You want a little shave right there. Keep this. Okay, so what we're gonna do is that we're gonna full on just slice the middle. Oh, that's my shift. Anyways, I think I'm gonna end the episode here. Stop embarrassing me. Oh my god. Jesus Christ. I'm gonna end the episode here, guys. I hope you guys enjoy this first VR little series. In this VR series, we're gonna kind of just mess around, and we're just gonna play some different games. I have literally all these games we could play right here, but like all of these, we can go ahead and play any one. See you on the next one. I'll be posting GTA Part 2, hopefully maybe today or maybe later. I'll see you guys later. Have an amazing day. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for some plushie videos because they will be definitely coming. Probably tomorrow. Everything will be posted tomorrow. There will be a lot of things posted, so stay tuned, like, and subscribe. Do that little bell thingy majib. It goes bling, and I'll keep you updated when I post something. Make sure you go ahead and do that. So yeah, anyways, have an amazing day. Peace.